Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mulkura Education System. It's class 2. It's English period and chapter number is 7, Careful Hens. Today our chapter is Careful Hens. Hans lived with his mother near a forest. One day his mother sent him to visit his grandmother. His grandmother gave him different gifts each time he visited, such as needle, a spoon, a puppy, meat and butter. Hans tried to carry these things home, but he always chose the wrong way to carry him. As a result, he lost or spoiled the gifts. For example, he put a needle in hay, a spoon in his sleeves, and a puppy in his pocket. Whenever Hans returned home, his mother explained a better way to carry the gift. However, on his next visit, Hans followed the new advice for a different item, which caused another problem. Because he did not think carefully for himself, he kept making mistakes. In the end, the story shows that people should use common sense and think about each situation instead of blindly follow old instructions. Now we will do words meaning of the chapter Careful Hens. The first is cottage, a small house, dragged, pulled forcefully. Number 3 is Germany, a country in Europe or country name. Hay, dry grass, nibbled, eating in a small bites. Spent, to pass. Stuffed, packed, wrapped, covered. Now we will do answer this question of the chapter. Question number 1 is, where did grandmother live? The answer is, she lived in a small cottage near a great forest in Germany. Question number 2 is, where did Hans put the needle? Why was the foolish? Hans put the needle in the hay. It was foolish because it would be difficult to find. Question number 3 is, where did Hans put the spoon? Why was this a bad idea? Hans put the spoon inside his sleeves, but it was a bad idea because of it. Spoons fell down. Question number 4 is, where did Hans put the puppy? Why was this wrong? Answer is, Hans put the puppy into his pocket. It was wrong because the puppy move or breathe. Question number 5, what happened to the meat? The answer is, the puppy ate the meat. Question number 6, what happened to the butter? The answer is, the butter melted in the sun. Thanks for watching the video.